Farmer carries aren't just some old school exercise you see strongmen doing on TV. They're one of the most powerful movements that can completely transform how your body looks and feels. Most people only expect one thing from this exercise, but I'm going to show you what really happens to your body when you start doing it consistently. The first thing that happens, your grip becomes unbreakable. This might not sound like a big deal, but your grip strength is actually one of the best predictors of how well you'll age. Studies show that people with stronger grips live longer, healthier lives and maintain their independence well into their golden years. Think about everything you do with your hands every single day. Opening jars, carrying groceries, lifting grandchildren, moving furniture. All of these activities become effortless when your grip is strong. Farmer carries build the kind of hand and forearm strength that makes daily tasks feel weightless instead of exhausting. This exercise wakes up muscles in your hands, wrists, and forearms that most people never properly train. What feels simple at first quietly sets off a chain reaction, and you'll see one of the biggest shifts that your body will have later on in this video. But here's something most people don't realize about farmer carries. They're like a posture miracle cure. If you spend hours hunched over a desk or looking down at your phone, this exercise can literally reverse years of damage. The weight in your hands forces your shoulders to pull back and down into their proper position. Your upper back muscles, which have been weak and stretched out from poor posture, suddenly have to work overtime to keep you upright. The muscles between your shoulder blades fire up in ways they haven't in years. Your chest opens up, your head aligns over your spine, and you start standing like someone 20 years younger. This isn't just temporary either. The strength you build in these postural muscles carries over into everything you do. After a few weeks of farmer carries, you'll catch yourself naturally standing taller without even thinking about it. People will comment on how much more confident and energetic you look. The posture improvements alone can eliminate years of neck pain and upper back tension. When your body is properly aligned, it stops fighting against gravity and starts working with it. This is crucial for healthy aging and maintaining the kind of upright posture that keeps you looking and feeling young. Once your posture starts improving automatically, something incredible happens to your core. Forget everything you think you know about ab training. Farmer carries build the kind of deep core strength that actually protects your spine and prevents lower back pain. During farmer carries, your midsection has to work constantly to keep you stable and prevent your body from bending or twisting under the load. Your deep abdominal muscles engage automatically to create a natural weight belt around your spine. These aren't the show muscles you see in the mirror. These are the muscles that keep your back safe during real-world activities. This type of functional core strength translates directly to everything you do outside the gym. Lifting heavy objects feels safer and easier. Bending over to pick things up doesn't make you worry about your back anymore. Your core becomes a reliable support system that works without you having to think about it. Now, before we talk about the cardiovascular benefits that will blow your mind, let me mention something important. If you're dealing with daily stiffness and aches that make you feel older than you are, farmer carries are a great start. But sometimes you need a complete approach that addresses all the underlying issues. I created a comprehensive guide that helps people reboot their entire body and move without pain again. There's a link in the description if you want to check that out. But let's get back to farmer carries and talk about something most people never expect. They're like doing cardio and strength training at the same time. Just walking with weights for 30 seconds will have your heart pumping and your breathing elevated, but it doesn't feel like torture the way traditional cardio often does. Your cardiovascular system has to work overtime to supply oxygen to all the muscles that are working to keep you stable and moving. This creates a unique training effect that improves your heart health while building strength. It's incredibly efficient because you're getting multiple benefits simultaneously. This type of training is particularly effective for people who want to improve their fitness but don't have hours to spend in the gym. You can get a complete workout in just a few minutes, which makes it much easier to stay consistent with your exercise routine. And here's something that might surprise you. Farmer carries are incredible for building bone density. As we age, our bones naturally become less dense, which increases the risk of fractures and limits our activity levels. Most people think they need complex weight training programs to maintain bone health, but farmer carries provide the perfect stimulus. The weight-bearing nature of the exercise sends powerful signals to your bones to stay strong and dense. Your spine, hips, and legs all get the loading they need to maintain their structural integrity. This is essential for maintaining mobility and independence as you get older. Regular farmer carry practice can help ensure that your bones stay strong enough to support an active lifestyle well into your later years. This kind of bone health investment pays dividends for decades to come. Your balance and coordination get a massive upgrade too. Carrying weight while walking challenges your body's ability to stay stable and react to small changes in terrain or unexpected obstacles. Every step requires micro adjustments that train your nervous system to keep you upright and controlled. This enhanced balance translates directly to greater confidence in daily activities and is crucial for fall prevention. You'll feel more secure walking on uneven surfaces, navigating stairs, and moving through crowded spaces. The improved coordination makes all your movements more fluid and efficient. The mental benefits of farmer carries are just as impressive as the physical ones. There's something uniquely meditative about this exercise that forces you to focus completely on the task at hand. You can't check your phone or let your mind wander when you're carrying significant weight. This focused attention creates a break from the constant mental chatter that most people deal with all day. It's like active meditation that builds both physical and mental strength. When the weight gets heavy and your muscles start to burn, but you keep going anyway, you're building mental toughness that carries over into other areas of your life. The exercise teaches you to stay calm under physical stress and push through discomfort, which are valuable skills for handling life's challenges. This mental resilience becomes particularly important as we face the various stresses that come with aging. Let me help you avoid the most common mistakes that prevent people from getting the full benefits of farmer carries. The biggest error is letting your shoulders roll forward as you get tired. This completely defeats the posture benefits and can actually make existing problems worse. Instead, focus on keeping your shoulder blades pulled back and down throughout the entire walk. Think about standing proud and confident like you're wearing an invisible cape. This maintains the postural benefits and ensures you're working the right muscles. Another mistake is walking too fast or taking steps that are too long. Farmer carries should be controlled and deliberate, not rushed. Focus on smooth, steady steps that allow you to maintain perfect posture throughout the movement. Quality is always more important than speed. Don't forget to breathe properly either. It's easy to hold your breath when you're concentrating on carrying weight, but steady breathing is essential for maintaining performance and staying relaxed. Focus on rhythmic breathing that matches your walking pace. Finally, avoid gripping the weights too tightly. While you need a secure grip, excessive tension in your hands and forearms can cause fatigue and cramping. Find the minimum grip strength needed to control the weight safely. For beginners, start with a weight that challenges you but allows perfect form for about 30 to 45 seconds. This might be lighter than you expect, and that's perfectly fine. The goal is to build up gradually while maintaining excellent technique. Do 2 to 3 sets with complete rest between sets. As you get stronger, you can either increase the weight, increase the distance, or add more sets. The key is progressive overload while maintaining perfect form. Intermediate practitioners can work up to 60 to 90 seconds per set or use heavier weights for shorter durations. You can also experiment with different implements like dumbbells, kettlebells, or specialized farmer carry handles. Advanced trainees can add variations like single-arm carries, which challenge your core even more, or overhead carries, which target your shoulders and upper back differently. But remember, the basic farmer carry is incredibly effective on its own. Farmer carries might look simple, but they're secretly one of the most comprehensive exercises you can do. They address the most common problems that affect people as they get older: weak grip, poor posture, unstable core, declining cardiovascular fitness, bone loss, balance issues, and lack of mental resilience. If you're looking for one exercise that can make the biggest difference in how you feel and move, farmer carries should be at the top of your list. Give them a try consistently for a few weeks and you'll be amazed at how much better your body feels and functions. Be sure to share this video with a friend who you think needs it.